Hi, I'm TJ Moffitt. This is AR and VR in Japan. What is AR and VR? AR, augmented reality, and VR, virtual reality, are technologies that create the real and virtual world, and enhanced visuals. Some technological characteristics are immersion, environment, interactions, and accessibility. AR works by using smartphones or other devices to overlay digital information onto the real world. VR works by using a headset to create a fully virtual world. Business problems are employee training, product design, and visualizations, as all these can be resolved and improved. AR and VR is growing rapidly in the United States and is expected to exceed $250 billion by 2028, and in Japan, it's only $2.5 billion this year. Who is using AR and VR? Lots of younger generations are using AR and VR more than older generations because lots of the younger generations, gamers, shoppers, consumers, and companies all use AR and VR. It positively impacts students and teachers, healthcare, patients, and even farmers. It negatively impacts marginal communities, people with disabilities, and younger generations. There are lots of AR and VR jobs such as researchers, reality electrical engineers, and a visualization engineer. Here's one job that I chose that I thought was interesting. I chose a NASA virtual reality software and simulation engineer. This position gets to experience AR and VR software development as they get to research to contribute to NASA's exploration of space. For this job, you're going to need a bachelor's degree in computer science or electrical, mechanical, or computer engineering with communication skills and 5 years of experience with AR or VR. The average salary for this job is $70K to $150K, and with NASA, this job can take you lots of places. Where are they using AR and VR? It's being used in almost every country in some way, but the main countries that use are the United States, Japan, China, Germany, and the United Kingdom. My top 3 application areas are education, entertainment, and healthcare, as lots of users of VR that use VR experience side effects. It's very expensive, and there is some technical issues. The company I chose for my SWOT analysis was Apple. And strengths for Apple is that it has lots of VR headsets that are high quality. It improves productivity with customers and employees. And Apple does have the world's largest AR platform. Some weaknesses are headsets are very expensive. There's obviously privacy concerns, and there's limited battery life on the headsets. Some opportunities are they can improve learning experiences in schools and at home with anybody. There's opportunities in healthcare and in manufacturing. There's some threats, as there's lots of security vulnerabilities and privacy concerns as well. When are they using AR and VR? AR and VR are still not widely mass adopted, but experts predict mass adoption in the next 5 years. And the barriers to its mass adoption are high cost hardware to make the virtual reality headsets, user experience with headsets, as some people become nauseated, and it's just opinionated between each individual. There is some privacy concerns and display quality. SDGs in Japan. Augmented reality was used to monitor COVID in Japan, and it can keep being used to keep Japan safe and monitor their healthcare. And also, an SDG in Japan is virtual reality is being used to highlight SDG campaigns and to show how they're going to achieve the SDGs. Here are my 2 truths and 1 lie. Japan is the leader in AR and VR technology around the world. The United States is expected to spend $10 billion on AR and VR in 2024. And the United States leads in AR and VR technology. Thank you.